everybody, welcome back to the studio. Today we are going to build this ribbon tool using a piece of foam core, 2 pieces of tape, and 2 very sharp pencils so that we can make these ribbons. One of the important parts when creating this tool is making sure that the tips of the pencil are on the same plane. As you see, I lined it up against this little lip that I have on my drafting table and making sure my pencils are exactly the same length. Taping them to close so that I can hold on to them. You can use any kind of tape, Scotch tape, masking tape, whatever you have in your studio. Then by closing up the tape, holding the pencils in place, you're ready to go. Holding the pencil or the outside pencil in your fingers, making sure you keep it flat with equal pressure on both tips. You put your pencils to the paper and draw your ribbon. Our next process is to determine what part of the ribbon's on top or on bottom. Doesn't matter, it's your personal preference. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and erase this line here. As you can see, it now makes it look like this part of the ribbon is on top of the other. Erasing that line, taking another pencil and just creating a nice smooth edge on your ribbon to make a better looking ribbon. Now I'll go ahead and determine what's on top, what's on the bottom. I'm going to draw this line to the edge of the outside of the ribbon so it makes it look like it's flipped. As well as on this side of the ribbon, I'll do the same thing. So we have this nice flipping over and these turning over in this way and inside the bottom of the ribbon. On the outside here, I'll go ahead and determine that as well. I'm going to make this part of the bottom of the ribbon. I'm going to turn my paper around so I have a better stroke of my circle. And there is the back side of my ribbon. Here are the tails. As well as on this side here, I'm going to create my tails. Now I'm ready to paint.